Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets sustainability, and every piece of wood tells a new story. In today's video, old barn wood, new value transforming upcycled wood into profitable furniture, and decor ideas, we are taking a closer look at one of the most beautiful and character-filled materials you can ever work with, old barn wood. These weathered planks, once part of rustic farm structures, now hold endless potential for becoming stunning modern decor and furniture pieces that not only beautify homes, but also bring you profit. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast, a DIY lover, or someone searching for eco-friendly business ideas, this video is your perfect starting point. Old barn wood carries the spirit of time, a richness that comes from years of exposure to the elements, giving it unique textures, deep tones, and natural character that new lumber can't match. By upcycling it, you're not just building furniture or decor, you're preserving history and crafting stories into each creation. With a bit of sanding, sealing, and imagination, this aged wood can be turned into everything from elegant coffee tables to rustic wall shelves, headboards, planters, benches, or even statement dining pieces. Each transformation becomes an opportunity to turn something forgotten into something functional, beautiful, and profitable. At Kuki Decor, we are passionate about showing how old wood can find new life through creativity and craftsmanship. Our goal is to inspire you to see beyond the cracks and rough edges, because those imperfections are what make barn wood so beautiful. With the right design approach, you can bring that raw rustic charm into contemporary spaces and create decor that feels warm, timeless, and authentic. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit the bell icon so you never miss our daily videos filled with wood furniture inspiration, DIY decor ideas, and upcycled project tutorials that turn simple materials into works of art. We post every day, bringing you fresh, practical and sustainable design ideas to spark your creativity and maybe even start your own woodworking side hustle. Let's explore what makes old barn wood so valuable and versatile. Unlike freshly cut lumber, barn wood is naturally aged, meaning it's dry, stable, and full of character. The wood's unique grain patterns and weathered look make it perfect for rustic and farmhouse decor, but it also fits beautifully in modern or industrial interiors when paired with metal or glass. This flexibility gives you an incredible range of project ideas, from reclaimed wood furniture and accent walls to vintage-inspired decor that people can't resist. One of the most profitable ways to use old barn wood is by crafting functional furniture pieces. A simple reclaimed wood coffee table, for instance, can become a centerpiece in a modern living room. Add a sleek metal base or hairpin legs, and you've created a balance of old and new, something that appeals to today's interior trends. You can also make barn wood shelves, consoles, and headboards that carry both utility and style. These projects often sell well because they blend nostalgia with practicality, exactly what buyers look for in handcrafted decor. If you're finding these ideas inspiring so far, don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow DIY enthusiasts or eco-friendly creators who love working with reclaimed materials. It helps our Kuki Decor community grow and keeps us motivated to share even more creative upcycled wood projects with you every single day. Another creative way to use old barn wood is in smaller decor items. Think of picture frames, wall art, candle holders, planters, and trays, simple pieces that can be made even from small scraps of wood. These are not only beginner-friendly projects, but also perfect for selling online or at craft markets. The demand for handmade, eco-conscious decor has been growing rapidly, and people are drawn to pieces that feel authentic and sustainable. That's the beauty of working with barn wood. Even the smallest offcuts have charm and value when crafted with care. When working with old barn wood, preparation is a key. Start by cleaning the wood thoroughly. Brush off dirt, remove old nails, and sand it lightly to smooth out the surface while keeping the original texture. You can apply a natural finish like beeswax, linseed oil, or a matte sealant to protect the wood while maintaining its aged character. The goal is to highlight its story, the knots, grain, and patina that make each piece truly one of a kind. Another thing that makes barn wood amazing for decor projects is its emotional appeal. Every mark, crack, or weathered spot tells a story of time and endurance. When customers buy a piece made from old barn wood, they are not just purchasing decor, they are taking home a slice of history. And when you present your creations with that story in mind, it adds emotional and monetary value to your craft. If you're looking to turn this into a profitable venture, pay attention to design trends and customer preferences. Minimalist furniture, rustic farmhouse decor, and sustainable materials are all in high demand right now. You don't need expensive tools to start, just creativity, patience, and a good eye for design. Remember, even the simplest ideas like turning old barn beams into rustic shelves or benches can generate steady profit if executed beautifully. What's your favorite idea so far? Tell us in the comments below. We love hearing how you're using upcycled wood in your own projects. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily videos that bring you endless ideas for turning reclaimed wood into decor that's stylish, meaningful, and sustainable. Join our growing family of creators who believe that every old piece of wood deserves a second chance. As you continue exploring upcycled woodworking, try experimenting with mixed materials. Combine barn wood with metal accents for an industrial look, or pair it with glass and concrete for a sleek, modern twist. Adding subtle lighting, such as LED strips under reclaimed shelves or table edges, can elevate the design even further. The mix of rustic wood and modern elements creates a visual contrast that's very popular in interior design today. Each piece of old barn wood you work with becomes part of a beautiful transformation story. You're turning something forgotten into something that brings joy and function into people's homes. That's not just crafting, that's art with purpose. And that's what we celebrate here at Kuki Decor. Every plank, every board, every rustic surface carries potential waiting to be rediscovered through your hands and imagination. So, whether you're creating a statement dining table, a cozy wall shelf, or a handmade candle holder, remember that your work contributes to something bigger, a movement toward sustainability, creativity, and conscious living. Each upcycled piece you make helps reduce waste, saves trees, and keeps the planet a little greener. Thank you so much for joining us today at Kuki Decor. We hope this video inspires you to look at old barn wood not as waste, but as a treasure full of potential. If you loved these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more daily inspiration. We post new videos every day, filled with eco-friendly wood decor ideas, sustainable furniture inspiration, and creative woodworking projects that you can try at home. Let's continue transforming the past into the future, one piece of old barn wood at a time.